Yes, good day everyone. You're welcome to Global Gift TV. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make 100,000 naira in a month in Nigeria. It requires no skills, but it's required you put money. It's a business you can do offline and online. Okay, let's get started. If you are into this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video and comment what you say about this video in the comment box. Make sure you drop a nice comment and also you drop a nice comment in the comment box. Okay, let's get started, guys. Most of us know Jumia and some others sites you can buy products and services, that used to render products and services. And most of you know all these malls and shopping malls that used to buy products, like sellers of many products online, phones, different products like digital digital accessories, and so many, like selling of fan perfumes online. But I'll show you a website where you can be getting all this at low price. Okay, at low price. Be getting it at low price. You can be selling it in Nigeria at high price. Let's say you are getting a, okay, let's check it the screen and see what you are saying here. Okay, let's search for mosquito. In Nigeria we have two mosquito. You can go for mosquito business if you want to do this business. Okay, you search for making money for mosquito. You can make money for mosquito in Nigeria. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, but you have to put money to start this business. It's required to put money. You'll be getting it back every day you sell the product. Okay, search for mosquito killing fan. Okay, because Nigeria we have too much of mosquito. You can go to this business, and many people that are like rich people, they can buy the mosquito. Okay, yeah, this mosquito fan here, you search for mosquito killing fan. Okay, this one costs 8,000 naira. Okay, this one costs 12,000 naira, but I'm not using this Jumia site. Okay, I will show you the site you are going to use to be getting it at low price. The lowest price here is, let's check the lowest price here. Okay, the lowest price is 7,000, I think so, 8,000 naira. Okay, let's walk it through. We go to this site called 1680.com. Okay, let me go through this now. Okay, in Jumia you can buy one at 8,000 naira. Let's go to 1816.com. If you go to 1868.com, 1868.com is a China company, but if you want to buy it, you have to pay for fee for delivery to Nigeria. They are going to bring it from China. Okay, you have to translate the language to English so you can see what they are saying. Okay, you can create an account there. Here you are looking for mosquito killing fan. Make sure you change the language so that you can understand what they are saying. Okay, here there are many mosquito fan here. Okay, but their own currency, they are using yuan. That is China money. Okay, this one is, okay, this one is 28 yen. Okay, let's check how much is yen to Nigeria currency. Okay, let's check how much is yen to Nigeria currency. China yen. Okay, China yuan. China currency. Ghana currency to Nigeria. Okay, 63 naira. Okay, to Nigeria is 63 naira, 63 naira. Okay, and we have 63 naira. That is to Nigerian money. Okay, let's go back to our browser here. Let's check the price again. Okay, this is 1688. One, you can buy one at, let's check the price in it. It's 1868.com. Okay, one you can buy it 4.64 naira. Okay, one mosquito killing fan, this one is 4.67. Okay, let's check our calculator and check it here. Yen is 63 naira times 4. Is it 4 or what? Okay, let's check our brother again. Okay, the lowest one is 4. Okay, 4.6. Okay, 4 times 6 times 4.6. Okay, that is 280 naira. 289 naira. That means you can buy one mosquito fan at the rate of 289 naira, and in Jumia they are selling one at 8,000 naira, and they have the one of. I show you how to shop. I want to show you how to dropship it to Nigeria. Okay, just keep watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay. Let's say you buy the one of 4.6 yuan. That one is 20, let's say approximately 300 naira. Okay, can get many as possible. Okay, can get many as possible. Okay, they had one of 28 yuan. Okay, this one, let's say you buy the one of 4.8 yuan, 4.6 yuan, you buy like 200 pieces. Okay, that is 300 times 200. You buy the one of that one is 60,000 naira. Let's say you have 60,000 naira with you can start this business, or you have than that, you can start with 100. Okay, you're starting with 60,000 naira to buy it from China, and in Jumia they sell one at the rate of 8,000 naira. Okay, 1,000 naira times 200. Okay, that is approximately 1 million naira. Okay, let's say 1 million naira, 61,000. Okay, that is 1 million naira approximately. Okay, let's say minus 200. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go back. 16 million 1 million minus 6,000. Okay, and 6,000 and 60,000. That means you are making the profit of 1 million naira. Just starting the business as a side hustle business. Okay, you are starting the business as a side hustle business. You are making 1 million extra. Okay, you are getting the product from 1688.com. Okay, is a China brand company. Okay, to buy it, you come to this like this now. You click on the product. Make sure you sign in. You have to sign in, and make sure you are using Google Translator to translate the language. Okay. Okay. I can also buy the one of the high. This one is 16 yuan. You can buy it, and you can be selling. Let's say this one is 16 yuan. In Nigeria, in Jumia, they can be selling it like, let's say, 18,000 naira, and you are making extra profit from this complaint. To ship it to Nigeria, you will put the how many you want to buy here. Okay, my browser is not going through. My browser is not going through. Okay, like the server is not connecting data well. Okay. This one is the mosquito fan. This one is the shocking mosquito killer. This one is 17 yuan, and 1 yuan is 63 naira, approximately 64 naira. And you can buy as many as possible, so that the drop shipping fee to be low. Okay. This is another one here, 10 yuan. Okay, this mosquito fan to kill mosquito. You can take it to any mall or any mall for them to buy it from you. Okay. Make sure you don't forget the site is 1680.com. It's in China complaint. You can buy it in bulk. Okay, you have to make the payment and submit everything through here. Like this browser is not coming through, it's showing China. Let's use Alibaba.com. I use that one. I can also use Alibaba.com. But this is a Nigeria complaint that sells in bulk. Okay. Let's search the product we are looking for here. Mosquito killing fan. Okay. You can also download the app from Google Play Store. Okay, this one you can buy this one at the top 1,000 naira. But if you don't want to buy from there, you can buy it from here. You don't want to buy for 1688, but 1688 is the best to buy it from. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah. Let's say you want to buy in bulk. This one is saying it is 86 naira. Okay, this one is selling it 800 naira. 800 naira per one. This one have 10 pieces. You can also buy the one of high pieces so that you can gain from it. Okay, let's say you buy this one. This one have 2,000 pieces here. This one here. Okay, this one have 2,000 pieces. Okay, and one is 1,248. Okay, 1,248. Okay, times, let's say you're buying 200 pieces. Okay, see you're buying 100 pieces. Let's come down. Okay, that is 128,000, and you are selling it at the rate of, you are selling per one, you are selling it like 9,000 naira. Okay, you are making an extra 500,000 naira. That's how this business work. This side hustle business, you can do it for yourself. Okay, either you use 1680.com, but 1680.com is the best to buy it from, because I don't understand their China. That's why I don't. You can buy it from them. You can translate your Google translator. Just come here, translate this to English, you are using Tinete.com, okay? But here it is in naira. This here is in naira. It is Nigeria company that sells in bulk, okay? They have some low amounts you can also buy here too. You can also sell it to your friends. You can also sell it to big companies. Yes, you have to register here to buy it from them. You have to register. Okay, you register. Not register. You buy it from the site. Okay, you buy it from the site. This is their location there. Okay, they are in Nigeria. Okay, but the best to buy it from is 1680.com. 1680.com. This one they have low charge fee. Okay, this one they have low charge fee. Okay, you can buy it from 1680.com. is the best to buy products from. You pay their charge fee, and that's how you get your product. Okay, if you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.